Okay. Come closer to Daddy. Go. No, they're fine. Right there. That's good.
Right there.
That's good.
All right.
Trying to get her in the camera. You should put more than one.
Gotta wait.
Let me. You gotta wait. Just keep putting them all over there. That's quick. Woo! They're whacking fireworks! Happy birthday, Skylar!
Hello, the birthday girl!
Firecracker baby!
Woo!
You're welcome.
Oh, we didn't want that.
If I do more than one,
Where's that dust smell?
It's the smoke from the firework.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys come over here. Come here.
oh, what's this one?
Actually, it's good to stay in the smoke because...
Whoa!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Skylar!
Skylar.
Happy birthday, Skylar! Happy birthday, Skylar!
I'm trying to follow the smoke and keep going the other way.
Over here, Rose. That's all you gotta do. The smoke's going that way. There's no...
Whoa, look at there.
Whoa!
Oh!
Wow, the smoke's going in our house. Oh my God.
I know, let me go close the door.
Come over here, you guys. Look, over here.
I'm trying to go close the door.
Hurry up.
Jesus, so excited. It just sounds like there's somebody in our house. In the meantime. I wish my battery was a lot. Was.
Whoa! Back up, back up.
Woo! I hope these sparklers don't get at me. I swear, I'll be mad.
Oh, look at her. Tell her to be quiet.
I hate mosquitoes. Just flew right in my forehead. Freaks me out, these smoke.
Hey, let me go in the back.
Uh-oh, I don't know what this one's going to do.
Daddy, do it. Mom, let me see. Doing it. Let me,
Back up,
too
back
bright.
up.
Let me look in the camera.
Back up.
Whoa! Now it's in 3D.
What the hell? There's only one in this box? Boy, they're bad.
Well, that shows up in black and white, right?
That's
it?
I saw it in black and white, Mom.
Ooh.
I did.
I'm getting a head rush.
Right. Boy, that smoke is right after you.
I know, right? Everywhere I go, it comes right at me.
Yeah, let me hold the camera.
I'm good. I want your excitement.
I want it too.
Oh, wow. This is one thing. This better be good.
Yeah, this better be flying in the air.
Just put all of them in there.
No, what is your problem?
Cause I mosquitoes out here. That's my problem. Woo!
Woo! Happy 4th!
Happy birthday, Skylar!
Happy 5th!
Ew! Bugs, mosquitoes, oh my goodness.
On a 4th. Yeah, we're almost done, bro.
I'm getting full.
Trying to smell like.
What do you want from me?
I'm trying to smell like smoke, so they don't come after my sweet blood.
My sweet blood.
Ow! Yes.
How do you spell beak?
Are you getting bitten too?
No, it's not me.
Are you sure?
It is easy.
Well, that's because the spider's biting your little bottom.
What the heck? Spiders ain't even that small.
I mean, mosquito. Oh my goodness. Be careful. We should have those little hand sparklers. Did you buy any?
Itchy, itchy.
Getting mosquito bites.
Hang in there. It'll be worth it.
Let me give you some light.
No,
at the spider. Look at the mosquito. I got it. Ew. Look at that. Look. Look. See?
Ready?
Ew.
I caught it.
Ew. Ew. Don't get that thing near me.
It was gonna bite you. What are you talking about? This is dangerous. I swear. Something else happening. Yeah. You doing that? Woo! Skylar! Oh, woo! Little baby one.
I was just wanting to fly up in the air. How is that animal? A purple one.
Ah! What the heck?
Those red and purple flames, Skylar. Yeah. I mean, just
Cool.
purple flames. What colors were the flames? Blue?
Watch this one.
Well, you are sweating up a
Is there
storm
any
here.
such thing as blue flames?
Oh my goodness. Hell, eating me up.
Of course.
What about purple?
Whew.
Let's go this way. Come here.
And green?
We're almost done.